Hello everyone, this is me AnsariShabnam and you are watching All About Teaching. Today, I am going to explain you chapter number 9, Cooking and Eating Habits. Early men used to eat food in raw form only. After discovery of fire, people learned that they could cook also. And cooking make food soft, easily digestible, and we all enjoy eating tasty foods. Cooking has many more benefits. Cooking food can be preserved for a long time. Cooking has to be done carefully. Too much of cooking can destroy many of the nutrients of the vegetables. We do not always cook all our food items. Many fruits and vegetables like cucumber, radish, carrot, peas are often eaten raw. They are good for our health. We must make sure that all such food items are washed properly before they are eaten. Now, next topic is methods of cooking food. There are different methods of cooking food like boiling, steaming, baking, and frying are some of the methods which are used for cooking food. Let us discuss about boiling. Food can be cooked by boiling it in water for some time. Like vegetables are being boiled in water, and eggs are also boiled in water and they are cooked. Pulses are usually cooked in boiling them in water for different periods of time, and milk is usually boiled before consuming. Next is steaming. In steaming, cooking is done by the steam obtained by boiling water. Steaming shortens the duration of cooking and helps in conserving nutritive value of the food. Some of the food items like idli, dhokla are mostly prepared by the process of steaming. And there are some pitas that we make at home in our villages that are also cooked by steaming only. And this is the vessel that is used for steaming purpose. Next topic is baking. Indirect heating with or without using oil is known as baking, and baking is usually done in an oven. Some of the food items like cake, biscuits, and breads are usually made by baking. And some more food items like pie or fruit custards, these are also made by baking. The next is frying. Many of us must have enjoyed food like pakoras, French fries, jalebis, puri, chips. All these are prepared by frying their ingredients in hot oil. This is not the very healthy method of cooking food, and it is advisable to avoid fried food. Now, the next topic is direct heating. This is one of the oldest method of cooking. Vegetables are often cooked by direct heating on fire. And you might have enjoyed corn, or you say bhutta, which is directly heated on fire. And we all enjoy it. Next is chapatis. Chapatis are also usually made by direct heating over the flame. Now, some of the cooking utensils I am showing you over here, these are used in our kitchen for cooking different types of food materials. And as we know that different cooking methods require different utensils.